So how can you create your own custom widget on the iPad? Let's talk about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. Anyways, in your iPad, you can download some third-party applications which lets you set up widgets, right? Many of different apps have widgets already, but those apps are going to have limited widgets for the specific functionality of the app. To add an application to create your own custom widgets of all sorts, you need to download one from the App Store at first. And there are apps like Widgetsmith or the one called the Widgie. The Widgie is actually much more advanced because it's more on this programming side. It's you literally get a template and you control every aspect and every element. You get you can literally just do it this way, that you set up your own style and just think of it like having a Photoshop or programming an app, but you are programming a widget. So it's actually much more difficult. It's not user friendly for the beginners, but if you need that, you can get the Widgetsmith on the other hand, which is much more user friendly, and you can just start customizing your widgets that way. So through Widgetsmith, you can just tap on the plus icon and choose the size of the widgets, right? And then just go with the custom options, right? So you can choose if it's going to display photos, or if it's going to be interactive, or if it's going to, show the clock and all of the different styles. It might show the upcoming events or reminders or some weather specific things. And you can customize the styles of that, the functions, and all other things as well. So it depends on what specifically you need. So if you really want to be creative and you know what you're doing, you can get the Widgie app and literally program, code your own widgets, or you can use these templates from other apps like the Widgetsmith, for example. So let me know which option you decided to go with. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you then in the later videos as well.